ChatGPT is going insane every single day. But don't worry, if you're hearing about ChatGPT for the very first time, I've got you covered, so stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you all you need to know about ChatGPT, how it was actually created, the main purpose, and down to how you can actually start earning money online with the use of ChatGPT. How a lot of people are actually using ChatGPT as a bypass for so many money-making online websites. So without wasting much more time, let me show you guys how you can actually do this. So the first thing I want you all to do is to go to the website chat.openai.com. Okay, so I'm going to drop the link in the description below. So if possible, you can click on it as I'm actually explaining about this ChatGPT. Okay, so what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is basically an open AI software. It's a revolutionary technology that gives you the exact answer based on your question. So basically, you ask a question, you ask the machine a question, and then it gives you the exact answer you require. For example, you have a new chat over here, as you can see. So first things first, you need to create an account with OpenAI. So then once you've created an account, all you want to do right now is to click on new chat. As you can see, we have a box over here. So I'm going to ask a question, just a quick question. How to get more views on YouTube? Click on this, send. So as you can see, it's processing. As you can see, guys, there are a few things you can try to increase the number of views. As you can see, it provides the exact answer. It gives you the best of answers, and it keeps on giving you more and more options based on your question. Okay, so now, okay, let me now show you guys how to actually use this chat gpt to make money online. Okay, so first things first, we have so many sites online. Okay, starting with guru.com. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys real time. Guru.com. So you want to go to guru.com. So basically, guru.com, the Guru website, is a website where you actually assist and help people asking several questions, or people who are in need of several activities. For example, we have some people who are in need of those who can actually give them a very good article based on a question. Probably someone needs an article based on electrical engineering, or someone needs an article based on podcast and all those things. So basically, you're coming here, you're registering, you're creating an account, and then you're helping these people do what they want, you're giving them what they want, and then you're getting paid. Okay, as you can see, we have so many job results. So basically, all you're doing is to look for probably a job that requires you, completing or writing an article or something, just basically writing something easy to write. Okay, we have QuickBooks help and ledger entry, make a 25-second promo video, Facebook media buyers. Okay, we're looking for something. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is an example. Fixed price $5,000 to $10,000. Expert romance ghostwriter needed for a contemporary romantic story in 20,000 word range. Okay, so guys, as you can see, what you can do here is to come here. Okay, expert romance ghostwriter needed. It needs someone. Okay, so you can just copy this, a contemporary romantic story. Okay, Ctrl C, and then you come here to ChatGPT and you paste it. As you can see, guys, it is processing a contemporary romantic story already for me. As you can see, Sarah and Ben has been friends for years, and it keeps on writing, guys. Just imagine this. Just imagine this, guys. So basically, all I'm just gonna have to do is immediately the bot is done writing this, I just need to copy all this and then save probably in a Word document based on the person's format. You just need to read on the format the person requires. Okay, and then you send it to the person and you make your money. So that's just number one way you can actually earn with the use of ChatGPT through guru.com. And not just articles, we have so many people looking for jobs based on different things. You can actually use ChatGPT to generate. So you can see, let's assume I already did that one for the person based on the contemporary romantic story, and then we have another one over here. I am looking for a writer with solid experience optimizing articles. So basically, you just want to look through and look for jobs where you can actually use ChatGPT to actually earn money through. So that's it about guru.com. Note it down, guru.com. Now moving on to the next website you can actually use to earn money online is going to be studypool.com. Okay, so you want to go to studypool.com. So basically what you're doing with studypool is you're actually going to register as a tutor. That is, you're going to register as a person who's going to be answering questions for students, who's going to be giving them answers based on different aspects of life, different categories. As you can see over here, we have business, computer science, economics. So you just want to register as a tutor based on whichever one over here, and immediately they ask the questions. All you're doing is to come to ChatGPT again, and then you type in this question. For example, a student is asking based on history. Let's say Germany history or German history. Okay, so you just want to type in German history and click on OK. Immediately ChatGPT is going to process this, guys. Just look at this, guys. So all you want to do again is just to copy it and then send it in form of a Word document, and then you make your money through studypool.com. So guys, this is two websites you can actually use with the help of ChatGPT to generate money. As you can see, it's still processing. So you're basically just copying this and then sending it to the person, and you make your money. Okay, now moving on to the next way you can actually make money online with the use of ChatGPT is going to be content creating. Okay, for example, we as YouTubers or even TikTokers, whatever social media you're using, okay, you can just come over here. Probably you're looking at the topic people are actually searching for, probably how to increase my subscribers, how to boost my subscribers. So all you're doing is to come here to ask ChatGPT, and it gives you the answer, and then you create a video based on these answers. So it's already giving you best answers, and then all you're doing is to create videos, and then you actually earn your money through the social media platforms, guys. Just take a look at ChatGPT. There's so many things you can actually use ChatGPT to do to earn money online. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you surely learned a lot from today's video, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be uploading more and more content based on ChatGPT. You definitely don't want to miss out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.